Welcome back to our channel Techqflowsoftware. So today I'm gonna explain you the shortcut keys and MS Word. Okay, let's begin. So first, Control plus A equal to select text. If you want to select a text in your page, just press Control plus A. Okay. Next, Control plus B equal to bold. If you want to make your subheading or heading bold in your page, just press Ctrl plus B. For your more clarification, I'll write over here. To make the selected text bold. So as I said you, if you want to make your heading or subheading bold, just press Ctrl plus B. Okay. Next, Ctrl plus C equal to copy text. If you want to copy any text from your page to your new page, just press Ctrl plus C. All your text will be copied. Okay. Next, Ctrl plus D, font dialog. So if you want to change your font in your page, just press the Ctrl plus D. All your font objects will be appeared. Okay. Ctrl plus E, center text. If you want your centered your text in your MS Word, just press Ctrl plus E. Okay. Next, Ctrl plus F is equals to find. If you want to find something in your MS Word like an object or shapes, just press Ctrl plus F. Okay. Next, Ctrl plus G, go to. If you want to go to a website from your MS Word directly to that, just press Ctrl plus G. Okay. Ctrl plus H is equals to replace. Okay. If you want to replace a text from another text, just press Ctrl plus H. Then your text will be replaced. Anything, a text or object will be replaced. So that's it for today's video. I'll tell you more in the next video. Until then, just wait, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.